Hi, my name's Carly. I'm here with the Vibo team, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the scanner feature on the dashboard. So the first thing you're going to want to do is log into the website, and if you haven't already downloaded the scanner, we're going to start with that. So click on Music Scanner on the left-hand side, and then either download for Windows or download for Mac. I have a Mac, so I'll download it for Mac. Once the application is successfully installed, you can close. When you want to scan, open it up on your computer. You can add as many music directories as you want. So to add one, click Add. It'll take you to your computer's hard drive and you can choose where you want the music to come from. One thing to keep in mind is that Vibo can only scan from one computer, so you should use the computer that you'll be DJing with. Also, if you use an external hard drive, make sure that you always put it in through the same path to your computer so that Vibo always knows how to get to it. Once you're done adding directories, you click Scan, and a notification will come up that it has successfully scanned and sent data to Vibo. Don't close out of your scanner until this message comes up. Once all the files have been successfully scanned, you can exit out of the scanner, and then when you're back to the homepage, refresh it. On the bottom left of your homepage, you should see when the last scan was, and every time you add new music to your computer, you should scan it so that Vibo knows what you have and don't have. When you want to check the event to see if you have all of the songs, click on the event, go to the music sections, and once you've opened the music section you want to check, click Locate Files. The easiest way to view all of this is to click Expand All, and once you've expanded it, you can see all of your files and the songs if they match. All of the songs that have no matches will appear first at the top, and the ones you do have will appear after it. The check next to the songs means that it's verified, so if you were to click Check All Verified, it would choose the songs with the checks next to it, but we recommend manually going through it so you know exactly what's being chosen. Once you know which file you want to match with that song, you can click anywhere on it. And say you have many remixes of one song, you can choose two of them and then at your venue decide which one you want to play later, or just click one of them and go with that one. After you're done choosing your songs, click Generate Playlist. It will download the playlist into your computer and it'll show you the songs that you don't have files for. It gives you the option to flag a song so that when you go into the event, you can see that it's been flagged and you don't have it, or you can skip it and flag it manually later. To flag it manually, go back to where all the music is located and click on the flag button. Now you can see which songs you do have and which songs you don't have. You can do this for all of the event sections in any event, and you can scan as much as you want using as many directories as you want. If you want more information, visit our YouTube channel, or you can email us directly at info@vibo.io.